Hello and welcome back everyone to some more review situations. Didn't say action that time. Today we're going to be checking out an impact wrench from Litheli. This came in FedEx. The box is in great shape and it was shipped very promptly. Let's open it up. And for the opening, we are going to use, of course, the Ocaso strategy. Okay, opening up the box, and we can see that everything is still very, very nicely packaged. Nice and secure. Over here we have the instruction manual, complete with the belt clip for the impact wrench. Okay, here's the impact wrench itself. Look at this beauty. Initial reaction on this is it feels great. I love the grip on it. It's nice and comfortable. I like that texture on there. We have the battery. We got a 20 volt, 2 amp hour, and our charge station.
Before we get started, the first thing we need to do is charge up that battery. So as it's charging, it does blink green. When that battery is fully charged, it will illuminate a solid green light. We now have a fully charged battery. If you go ahead and press that green button on the battery, it does illuminate with your battery indicators there. And we have 4 bars, fully charged. The operator's manual does go over more details for you about charging your battery, that battery indicator light, of course, and a LED indicator table, letting you know exactly what's going on with your battery. Here's a little bit of that technical data if you're wanting to know any of this. Our battery did take a little less than an hour to charge, but it did come with a little charge on it as well. Let's go ahead and familiarize ourselves with our impact wrench before we get started. So we do have that 1/2 inch square drive there. You can see it does come with some LED work lights as well. That's really, really nice. Here, right here, we have that direction of rotation switch. So of course in the middle is locked. Push it all the way one way or another to go forward or backwards, left and right. This is your trigger. It's a variable speed trigger switch. We looked at those battery indicator lights on the bottom there. Just pushing that green button will show you what level your battery is at. Take a look at that battery. It's very simple to go ahead and put on. There's just these 2 release levers here, and it pulls right out. Just like that, it does slide right back on as well. Right here is where you're going to attach that included belt clip. They do have a spot on each side for left or right carry as well. The time has come to go ahead and demonstrate this 20 volt Litheli impact wrench. We are going to go ahead and utilize it on some lug nuts. For starters, let's go ahead and loosen those lug nuts before we lift the car up off the ground. This Litheli impact wrench made quick work of removing that wheel and of course replacing it as well. The lug nuts came off really easy, so much easier than by hand. If you want more information about this, go ahead and check that link in the description for all those specifications and details. Thank you all so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.